I know I've learned only one margam to teach so many students today, but that is not the case. Audience doesn't have, first of all, patience to see a Chaukakala Varnam for 45 minutes. And, but again, however, are we going to go and entertain audience what they want, or are we going to educate without changing the values? We have to balance between the two. At the same time, as you say, the students don't have time. They have many activities, especially who are learning here. They are not going to take this as full time. But however, they want to have this as a cultural attache. That is what I am seeing in a lot of
Mm.
places in America. And we are also in a position, we have responsibilities to inherit the right technique and the right way. Just because a parent come and ask, is it I had this experience when I begin my classes,
Mm.
not anymore. Because I have set an expectation to
Expectation.
my parents, okay, how to learn what is good and what is the right way. Because I am in a position, if I don't say that or educate that, that is my responsibility and job. I
Mm-hmm.
don't want to give what my like a little child, right? My child will always want a chocolate cookie, chocolate drink, and we won't give that every time. However, this is also a business. This is also a school. We are answerable to the society and community. But I think the way we educate them, strike a balance. Not like it is not too slow. At least 2 or 3 choreos, I am able to.
Mm.
So I don't have to teach them in a year, maybe small ones.
Mm.
Let's say what I'm saying is every day, every class mandatory we have at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes of adab practice. Because
Mm-hmm.
without form, if I teach a Kautuvam, they are going to go in stage formless. I can't myself see. There is no beauty in it. When you wear a costume decked up for 2 hours, all your fans are struck and your knees are coming forward, there is a basic value for your Bharatnatyam, right? Like which as an audience or a art practitioner, I'm not able to appreciate, then I feel I'm
Right.
doing injustice. But however, I cannot say, okay, until you do 100% Aramandi, 100% lines, I cannot say that I cannot move on to the next choreo,
Mm.
because sustenance is very, very important for the cross cultural kids. That is also a responsibility.
Mm.
So it is very, very challenging and hard to strike a balance. But what I try to do personally is basically, let's say I teach a Pushpanjali, which
Mm-hmm.
is 5 minutes, which is a category. But I don't suddenly jump around and go and teach Varnam or a bigger Kirtanam
Mm.
or a Tilana or a Padam or Jolire. I try to do, let's say we do one Muruga Kautam, then let me teach one Natesha Kautam, like the postures of Shiva. You will try to make it more interesting, more
Mm.
creative. So
Mm.
tell the stories of this god and see what are all the hands they've learned in the previous one. Make it slightly different to this one.
Different. Yeah.
And yeah, so that even the audience can understand, right? Like, so if it is, so don't say if they are not able to do or take a bigger core wise set on a Kautuam, then make simplify it, make them under, make give it to them in a way where they can understand. So
Right.
that is the only way we can keep the sustenance. Yes, we cannot say that we can teach only one item for whole year. That is not going
Mm.
to work, and that is actually not motivating. So there are little bit here and there some imperfections. Compromise and look at the bigger picture. Teach both songs, repeat it many times,
Mm.
multiple practices, and then finally they themselves will get get it better. And again, put additional classes, extra classes. These are the, if you want to see a better visual
Outcome.
art from them, then yeah, extra effort is definitely needed,
Got it.
yeah, to
Got
make it
it.
interesting. But that is a very common concern nowadays, because things change, idea change, we
Yeah.
have to develop perspective, and we cannot say no, this is how it is. Then you're not helping the community or not patronizing the art, and you shying away from your responsibilities or not.
Right.